Anyway, well, I love you. Be careful on your way home.
I'll call her later.
Okay. Alright, bye. Love you too, bye. I'm sorry,
She's driving?
Yeah, she's driving.
Henry,
She said they got snow work together because it snowed right at her office, and they got like an inch and a half at her office, and she got to go home. And she's like, I was so she only went in for like 2 hours, and she still had some inclement weather time, but she didn't know she had to use that to go home.
Well, good.
So I was like,
The stove was
Make sure I got some pictures.
Mama, oh no!
before y'all leave, I want to get I know. I'll put them on my computer.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know you were videoing.
Oh,
Yeah, trying to get pictures of the big toys before we move them.
You want me to take some more snapshots of that?
If you want to, I was just wanting to make sure we had something so that Megan and Jason could see it.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Papa, do you want my popcorn?
No, not right now, buddy, but thank you for asking me.
We clean up this mess?
We're clean. Oh, yeah.
We're cleaning up this mess.
We will. We'll help you. Now the tree's empty. But guess what? His room's really full. Isn't it, Mr. Brayden? You've got lots and lots more toys in your room now. And you got your train table. And we set up some tracks on it. We've been playing trains. And you got a four-wheeler Power Wheels. And Meemaw even got on it. That was a sight.